Hello, today we're going to be preparing to make our breakfast for when Elfie comes. So this is going to be for our Elfie party. What we're going to do is we're going to take some bananas and some strawberries, and these are real bananas and strawberries. We're going to be actually making a party for the dolls and the children so that they can have a party in the morning with Elfie when he arrives. Okay, so each of the children have their own Elfie. And they really enjoy doing little fun things with him in the mornings. So we're going to get ready to welcome him. So I'm just chopping up a banana. There you go. And I'm going to do exactly the same with the strawberries. I'm going to cut each strawberry, if I can, into 3 pieces. Okay, so you need a sharp knife, and make sure you wash your hands if you're a child first before you start. Okay, and ask an adult to help you if you're going to be using a sharp knife, because we don't want to end up cutting ourselves. All right, so we're just going to chop up our strawberries and our banana. So we have all our bananas and strawberries cut up into pieces, and all we're going to do, it's going to be really simple, is we're going to make a candy cane shape with the strawberries and bananas. So we're going to just lay them onto the surface. I'm going to do that little round bit at the top first, and just find like smallish pieces for the top of it, and then put the larger pieces as you sort of go round. So that's the sort of top, and then I'm going to come around and bring it down here and just put 1 piece of strawberry and 1 piece of banana until you've got it all the way down to the bottom. That's it. Okay. I think that one probably could do it going the other way. That's better. The only strawberries I could actually get were really small ones, so which sort of I could have done with them being just slightly bigger, but that's okay. 1 more piece of banana, I think, and the last piece of strawberry. Let's get a reasonably big piece. There we go. And that's my last piece of strawberry in there. Okay, so I'll let you have a look and see what it looks like from above. So there we have our candy cane, all ready for breakfast with Elfie. I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.